find each product. What does product mean again? Answer to what? Answer to multiplication. Okay, so use the distributive property to find each product. First one. 7 times 4x minus y. Now, I usually don't make this mandatory, and I don't in the beginning of the year unless I see a problem. But good little mathematicians, I know Mrs. Bybee does this all the time. I'm going to change all my negatives to plus, -1. All my subtractions to plus and negative. I always do that. I always do that. So when you see me write on the board, I will do it every time. I'm not going to make you do it unless I see a big issue with our negatives. Okay? So, I'm distributing. When you distribute, you're multiplying. 7 times 4x is what? 28x plus 7 times -1y is 7y. Now, this is good for me, but the book will say 28x minus 7y. Either one is correct. -8 times 3 plus x. -8 times 3 plus x.
So you said change the signs in the parentheses?
I always change my subtraction to plus the opposite. But if it's addition, there's no need to change it. Okay. So here, distribute. What's -8 times 3? -24 plus -8 times x. -8x. Yeah? Should be easy. You guys should be all bored right now.
And you're okay with those? I was born in 24 minus 8x.
Yes, I'm okay with that. Like I said, unless I start noticing some issues later, I'm okay with it. Last one.
Is this like all
I'm trying to think. Nope, I think we have one slide after this. But we're almost done. Short notes today. 5x times y minus 4. So I'm going to go ahead and make that plus negative. Change my subtraction. Distribute. So 5x times y is 5xy plus 5x times -4, -20x. Okay, if you always change the plus negative, it's always going to be a plus in between, by the way. Yeah? One next thing that's leading us up for next chapter is like terms. You remember combining like terms?
Yeah.
Remember the variables have to be exactly the same. So for instance, you cannot add a 2x squared plus a 3x because those are not exactly the same. Okay, it's got to be an x squared. Also, but you can do this. 4xy plus 3yx. Why?
Because they're just the commutative property.
It's the commutative property. Isn't this the exact same thing?
Yeah. They're really going to be on our homework.
Why not?
So get them in.
Oh, because you have to actually think?
Yeah.
That's rough, I know. Okay, last slide here. We're going to simplify. Simplify the following expressions. Once again, remind me, what's the difference between an expression and an equation?
There's no equal sign in an expression.
There's no equal sign in an expression. Okay, first one. 7st minus 4st plus 3 minus 11 plus st. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and change all my subtraction to plus, negative, plus, negative. So let's just look at my STs. I know when I taught freshmen, I made them underline in one color, all the like ones. Okay. So, like, how many STs will I have there? 4. I heard it. Remember, there's a 1 in front of every variable. So that's 7 minus 4, 3 plus 1, 4st. 3 plus negative 11 is what? Negative 8. There we go. Can't combine those any further because they don't have the same variables.